We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. On this episode of Two Cool Science Chicks, I decided to step aside and allow Akyah to record whatever she wanted to. And she decided to record Popin Cookin with her friends Aubrey and Adison.
Hey guys, it's Akyah from Two Cool Science Chicks. Today I'm here with Aubrey, Adison, the twins. And so today we are going to be doing some hardcore cooking. Yay! Okay, so hold on. We're doing Popin Cookin. It's Popin Cookin. I think it's a Japanese.
It's Japanese candy from Japanese. It's their special candy, like for kids to make.
Yeah. So let's do. It's ice cream, by the way. So okay. So this is So this is the Popin Cookin stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna. It's ice cream and stuff. So it's gonna be fun. But we have this because we did one earlier. We're gonna wait for the reveal, and we haven't tried it yet. We made a sushi one.
Yeah. So that's our main course. That one was really fun, and that's why we just wanted to film this one because it's like try and repeat.
This is from the last one. It's a squeezing thing, so we don't know if we need that. So then we have scissors to open up the bag. Then we have a knife to cut things in half. Oh yeah, and we have some water. But always remember to have adult supervision when cutting with sharp objects. We don't need any more water, child. Thank you. Okay, so now let's open it. Oh, we also need a spoon.
We need the directions. Oh gosh. Wait, don't cut it all. We need to put the stuff in the packet. Okay, so first cut the wafers.
Ooh, there's wafers around.
We make the wafers. Sprinkles with hearts.
It smells so good. Okay, so they have super cute.
Okay, so there's like this. Oh my god.
They have these super cute heart things.
Oh! So also we have this piping bag.
No, we have the cute super cute cones. So then the two wafers, piping bag,
and for
green powder.
little colors. Yeah. Okay, so we have this cute little skeleton. So first we gotta cut the wafers. So you gotta get the wafers.
Wait. Excuse me. Okay, now give me.
These are so cute. Like, oh no! Don't cut them yet. You're supposed to do different shapes. Look at the thing.
Where's the front side? It's the front side.
Complicated kids. Oh, and then there's these cute little cones, like the real cones you can eat. Then a little wafer bowl.
Why do we have to cut them in that way though?
Because it's for like the little toppings and stuff.
Wait, but can't we do it our own way? Because we don't have to.
Let's do it after, okay?
Let's do it our own way. Yeah, let's do this part last.
Yeah. Okay, so what is the next step?
Hold down the top and squeezing bag along the horizontal dotted line.
Wait, what?
Fill one side with all vanilla
No, we're not
cream
even
and the
done
other
yet.
side with all strawberry.
Okay, so we're gonna have to make the cream.
This first.
Oh wow, we're so weird. Okay, so what are we supposed to do first?
Okay.
What is this? Cut this off?
Yeah. Cut that off. And then pour water into submerge that with water and then pour it into the big ones.
Big one? Both?
Don't squeeze it. Yeah, it's both. Okay.
Okay. So while I'm doing this.
The pink. So I'm gonna cut open. Can I mix this? Can I mix it?
Yeah, we're doing the vanilla too.
It smells so good,
I
guys.
know. It's
It's
my favorite.
so good. Like,
Can I try? Oh my god. That is so good. Try this one.
are you out of your mind? That is so.
Try one. Try this one.
I know what that tastes like. Oh my gosh, what's the thing that the Hello Kitty Japan candy where it's this little
step says that hold down this part, which I did, and then we're gonna add the stuff in. Here, let's show them what the stuff looks like. Okay. This is the pink frosting.
You didn't even add it on.
It's pretty good. I know.
It's so good. It tastes like the strawberry little cake. What?
It's so good.
Yeah. So you want to put that in there, in the white one.
How do people make these so good? Okay, guys, we're back. We got it in. Then you're supposed to twist it, which we just did. And you.
We just had some of it. It's really strong too.
Okay, so you're supposed to cut it.
Can I help you? Not that big, but okay. Oh, so you're supposed to put it on paper, not that. Wait, look. Oh, that's for that. Okay. So squeeze it on the ice cream cones. Can I squeeze one and you squeeze one? Or Tyler squeezes? Oh, that's so genius! Were we supposed to have 3 cones though? No. Oh wow, that looks amazing. Let me do a little top here. I'll hold it. Thank you. Oh, so cute. Can I frost one?
You might want to put a little more on there.
Only
Do you want to add the
little
frosting?
squeezers.
Yeah, sure.
So you go, okay, I'll do them. So you do 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, and then 4 dots.
I don't know if it's here. Can I use the extras? Can I use the extras?
For what?
To make those little dots. What dots? No, those are the sprinkles.
Those are the sprinkles. Those little dots.
Oh, that's just gonna be hot. Okay, you try. Because we're gonna be trying these and your reaction, guys. Well, our reaction. You gonna see if you like our creation or not. Okay?
Yeah, but they don't.
Help me. You don't get to taste it, but if you like how it looks. Because, I don't know, when you look at the front, it looks so perfect. Like, yeah, it looks good. Okay, so you add the heart.
It's all coming out the wrong side.
Oh yeah, Banana's right there behind the camera watching us now. So.
Hi, girls.
Okay. You want me to do it?
Sushi that we made earlier. So the salmon, the eggs, the little soy sauce. We put
Which has fish eggs in it.
Yeah.
These are fish eggs as well. But this is candy, not actual sushi.
So yeah.
And what's the candy called again?
It's
Okay, so we're gonna be trying the salmon one. So here we go. We cut it. So if anyone else actually really likes this, then they can have
Let's
it.
try
Ready,
it.
set, go.
How is it? What is
It
it?
kind of like the salmon kind of tastes like cough syrup, and the rice kind of tastes like bubblegum. So bubblegum and cherry together. I don't know. It's okay. Like I would eat it again, but it's not like.
Then eat it again.
Yes. It's like very fruity.
No, we need to try the sauce with the egg ones.
Can I have my egg?
Grab it.
Okay, so
We're gonna dip the egg one into the
dip the
sauce.
egg one into the food.
Shouldn't you have a butter knife?
3, 2, 1.
Now I'm scared for the fish eggs.
Me too.
The egg one.
It's definitely lemon with bubblegum. I don't know if it tastes good. Maybe like it tastes okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna be trying this one, and they're just gonna eat the fish eggs. I'm scared. Go.
Those fish eggs are good, but I don't think the combination bubblegum, grape, and fish eggs. I mean not fish eggs. Orangish, passion fruitish.
That one's good.
Maybe go together. I don't know.
Well, I'm glad you guys have a butter knife now.
Can I? butter knife.
This is gonna be good because it's wafers. No, wait, I'm not supposed to start yet.
Okay,
Ours, paint, crumbled. Oh, jeez. It's all
here
over.
it is.
Here's the professional.
Here's the crumble.
Oh, I have one left.
Ready?
Great, try it.
Ready, sweaty, going.
Is that one?
How is it?
Really good.
It's really good. I really like it.
I like this one, the ice cream one, better than the
Yeah.
sushi.
I'm not really a fan of the sushi, but it was good. It was just
Because I'm not a fan
really
of
sweet.
gummies.
If you guys ever get this, you should try it. No.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did. And if you would like to see more of our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel down below and then hit the bell right next to it and give this video a big thumbs up. And you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Until then, kids,
Stay cool, kids.
Reach for the stars.
always believe in yourself and never stop questioning.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
We hope you like. You're supposed to say it with me.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Too cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Too cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Too cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Too cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.